Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hello, Falava everyone. It is only 26 degrees. It's below freezing, but I'm bound and determined to have some good food on a Umu today. So let's get started. Come join me. Oh, I'm just running to the store real quick to get some stuff I need. You can see the sun's out now, so it's come up to 28 degrees. Of course, before we go, I gotta wait for the windows to defrost. You gotta love the winter time.
Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast.
Just getting some potatoes chopped for our potato salad. If you hear that background noise, I'm actually watching a video from Newtown, the Newtown family. Hold on, I'll show you. Yeah, see, I'm watching the Tongan village at the Polynesian Culture Center and the Tongan drummer from 2022. They just visited there. It's a Newtown family. I'll put their name here at the bottom so you can see it.
To signify the arrival of departure of royalties. It was also used to alert all villagers to follow certain back in the days.
Hopefully that's not too loud. You're actually watching my video and listening to a different video, which is kind of cool. They're playing Tonga's. Oh, they're playing Tongan call or music on shells. Pretty cool. I'm also I cannot find taro leaves this weekend. I didn't really try hard, but the store near me was out of it. So, but I want to make mom something on the Umu as well, and I'm gonna try to make some pilikaki. But it's not your normal pilikaki. I have a surprise. I'm actually gonna use this. Oh, she doesn't know. It's her favorite. Shh! Don't tell her. She doesn't like a whole lot of onions in hers, so I'll just use a little and make them thin. That way they're cooked faster, or they're cooked through. And I've got this little pan, so I'm basically going to lace the bottom of it with the onions. And since we don't have taro, I'm going to use spinach and then mix it with the you-know-what. So I just got bagged spinach. So it looks pretty fresh. Pretty good, huh? And I'll just tear it up a little bit. Not too much. And believe it or not, she is not a huge taro leaf spinach fan as I am, so I'm not going to put too much in there. Alright, let's go get the fish. So I had to wash my hands a couple times, and I'll have to wash it after this, but added the spinach and the onions, and now I just got to add the fish. Oh my goodness. So I'm actually going to break it apart with my hands. Oh, this feels gross, to be honest with you. Especially since I'm not a huge fish eater, as my wife is. Yeah, get it mixed in there good. Whoo. Okay, let me go wash my hands again. So before I put the coconut cream on there, I'm gonna add a little salt and a little pepper, and we can mix it around more once it's done. So just a little bit, and she can add more if she wants to. Salt, pepper, and a little garlic powder. There we go. And last but not least, everyone's favorite brand, Cara. Oh, it's so thick and creamy. So pretty looking. And some of the fat from the fish will also leak down to help cook the leaves as well. And I got this little metal tray because I usually bake this in the oven. But I am going to put this into the umu as well and just wrap it with some foil. So after washing my hands for the 50th time today, I'm going to cut this in half. If I can. There we go. And let me go wash my hands again and I'll be right back. All right. After hand wash number 7, basically. Just put a little bit of this on there. Nice. Some low sodium la choy, which is a nice dark flavored soy sauce. And then since it's salty, I just add a little bit of extra salt, which is no sodium salt, pepper, and of course garlic powder. And I'm not going to put on onion powder because I'm actually going to add onions on here today. So there's the onions that were left over from my wife's onion. I'm actually going to move this over and have 2. Oh, here goes my hands dirty again. Put that there. And put some onions on it. That way I'm going to have 2 packets of, maybe a matter of fact I'm going to do 1 with onions, 1 without, because my kids are not super onion fans, but I'll leave a few on theirs. There we go. Alright, let me wash my hands again and wrap this up. To show you, I'm making some of these too, but I'm not saying it out loud. Shh. Aseka's really close by. I don't want to spoil the surprise. Okay, we got back just in time. The fire is out, and now I can remove the rocks to put the food on. All right, let me get started. I'm gonna leave some of the hot rocks on the bottom, like that. I got her fa'i and the coconut cream in here. I don't even remember if I showed you that or not. And then some ribs here. Ooh, sizzling. And maybe some ribs in the middle. There we go. Ooh. There we go. All right. My hands are filthy now. Let me go wash them. We'll wait about an hour or so and it'll be done. So at times like this, when it's really cold out, Silhouette does her practice. We're going to a gym on Fort Lewis, one of several gyms. This is a gym that actually has like racquetball courts, rock wall, and also a swimming pool. And you see Silhouette's there. She thinks she's tough not wearing a jacket in the cold. I've got a hat and my coat on.
This is my practice room. Okay, let's give a tour. So, big room all to myself. There's a little flies, but we don't mind those. But that's all. Bye!
By the way, Silhouette wanted me to show you the rock wall gym they have in here too. They're rebuilding the wall now, so it's not open. And then they also have some boxing stuff up here. So you can see Tyler boxing or practicing. Oh, Mommy stole my Chihu hat. Say hi, honey.
Hi, Pivot 2.
Hi, Pivot 2. Say hi to them.
Sup?
Sup. Oh my gosh, she's so rude. I don't know where Silhouette went. She went over here. I guess this is the kids area. They have like a little playpen. This is just the upstairs. So okay, we gotta get back home. Food's probably almost done. Let's go. So we're all leaving, getting back in the truck. All right, we'll see you back at the Umu.
Let's go, Cena!
Now.
Come on, Dad, let's go! Choo!
Let's go, Nye! All right, sorry we didn't, we were watching the CV Offie competition in Orlando. But here's my wife's fai-fai-ao plate. She got corn, she got rice, she got potato salad. I didn't show you that. There's your pilikake salmon style. Ooh, look at that. She don't even know she's got that. And there's some ribs. And then my kids have their own plate too. And then my plate, I have a couple corns because white people love some corn. And this right here. All right, let's get eating. Amen.
Amen.
Man.
All right, let's eat. I don't know if you can see me. I know you can see Mama Silhouette. Acapella's over here. She is here. We do feed her. Go ahead, take a bite. I'm turning it. I'm turning it. Take a bite. What? She took a bite. And then Mom, we're actually, it's hard to eat because we're watching the Siva Api competition from Orlando at the same time. And it's very exciting and fun to watch. Salt, please. What? What's Mommy say? What are you eating?
Fa'i.
That's good. Fa'i. Oh, the fa'i. You know what that is? Right there?
Pikaki.
Pilakaki with what, though? That's the big mystery. Let's see if she guesses. She don't know.
Coconut.
Nope. Salmon.
What?
Salmon from a can.
Salmon from a can.
Yeah,
But
pink
it's on-
salmon.
That's
Salmon.
different.
Pilakaki with salmon. I'm gonna take a bite of my potato salad. Yummy.
Yeah, that's good.
No, she says it's good after I told her it was salmon. How's yours, Silhouette?
I'm partial my salmon, yes.
All I know is I love the corn. Palangis love them some corn. Here's the ribs from the umu. Let's see if I can cut it with my fork. Oh my gosh, look at that. It comes right apart. So tender with just a fork. Oh, I can't wait to try it. Here we go. Yeah, it should be soft. I'm gonna try the little pieces while the meat fell off first. Wow, that is good. One napkin, sweetie? Sure. One or two? Here, share with Mom then. The ribs are good. I still would like some hot sauce on though. I gotta find some. Right now I'm just loving my corn. We have two young ladies that are part of the Tupeleafi squad that are in Orlando right now competing live while we're filming this. They both did fantastic. Wow. We'll be shocked if they don't get first place. They did so well. Awesome job, girls. We love you both. We can't wait to see you when you get back. Well, we're sure enjoying our food. It's really good. That was a secret spy filming there. I don't know if you can see Mom and... Oh, Mom took off my Chihu hat. What the heck? Num num. The onions cooked with the ribs are so good.
Yeah, it's very soft.
Look at that. So soft. It's delicious. Yeah, it's really good.
That's mine.
Gee-hoo. It's so good. How's your rib, Silhouette? She says, I don't know what that means, but it might mean good. I'm not sure. We got kicked off the live feed there from Facebook for a second, so Silhouette's going to fix it. Yummy. She fixed it. All right. Silhouette's not back yet. Mommy's enjoying her food. The TV went wonkers and we couldn't get Facebook on there anymore. Well, we're actually sharing with Silhouette's phone. That's how we watched it. So I'm going to try to go on to Facebook on my Chromebook. We have two different people. We have the wonderful Jess who's our instructor's wife, doing live. And we also have the awesome Uncle Wes. So both of them are doing live. I'm gonna see if I can get on one of those now. All right, we got it back on my computer. Get back here to Silhouette and Mama eating. Mystery Girl's over here. But she is eating slowly but surely. I don't know if you can see me eating in front of you. Hopefully not. I'm eating like a pig. So, honey, did you like the fa'i I surprised you with? With
It's
coconut
very
cream?
good. Mm-hmm.
How about this big pile of... Oh, look, it's almost gone. She must have loved the salmon pilikaki. Was it good, sweetie?
Very good.
Could you tell it was salmon?
No.
It just tastes like pilikaki, huh? Oh, okay. Just remember, it's not fresh salmon. It's canned salmon. What about you, Silhouette? What do you have to say to your fans and YouTube world? Say hi, everyone. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
That's it. You're so excited. She's been taking a nap, so that's why. So our live feed just disappeared. We're like, what happened? There's 2 people live feeding, and they both cut out. And so we're hoping that they just took a break until the winners are announced. I hope. Because we want to watch it. So Silhouette wants some more rice. I think Mommy's done. Show me your rib bones, honey. Let's see some rib bones.
1.
Oh, 1. 2. 2. Call it. Where'd all the meat go? In your mouth? Mommy don't have a sense of humor tonight, I guess. Oh, she's playing a little... She's offie drumming, maybe? I don't know if she's going to get hired or not. All right, everyone. Let me get out here with my wife.
Hey, pretty girl.
Hi, everyone. Hope you can see me and my wife. We love you. Thanks so much for watching. We are going to finish our dinner, and then we're going to hopefully watch the live feed of the announcement of who won the tournament. We're rooting for both of our girls that went there. Anything you want to say before we go?
Thank you, everyone.
What do you say, Silhouette?
I like rice.
I like turtles.
She's got all rice.
She's going to say, "Nut minute." All right. Love you guys, everyone. Anything?
Fa.
Fa. Okay. Fa soifua, everyone.
Fat.
And until next time, 1, 2, 3. Peace. All right. Love you guys. See you later.
Whoa.
What?
Whoa.
Whoa, what? Whoa, whoa.